come here. I've got a new dance I want to show ya. Oh, I know this. It's the bird dance, where you clap your hands and flap your arms.
Welcome to Wigtown Primary School and Bird Missing with Boyle. Today's missing bird is the blue tit. A blue tit is a cute and colourful mixture of yellow, white, blue and green. Its Latin name is Paris cilius, and it comes from the family of tits and Peridae. Males and females are similar. However, males have a brighter blue crown, which you can see clearly under an ultraviolet light. They sound like this. Blue tits are easy to spot. Maybe we'll spot one today. Blue tits can be seen all year round in the UK. They are common in woodland, hedgerows, parks and gardens, much like this one. During the winter, blue tits join up with other blue tits to search for food. A garden feeding 4 or 5 blue tits could actually be feeding 20. Blue tits like to eat insects, caterpillars, seeds and nuts. They love crunch, a tasty crunch, crunch. Spider, crunch, crunch, crunch. And their yellow feathers are yellow because of the pigment in the yellow and green caterpillars that they eat. Funny my dad isn't orange because of all the iron brew he drinks. Blue tits like to nest in evergreens, ivy and in tree holes. They return to the same spot year after year. When one pair dies, another pair takes its place. Blue tits can nest in the oddest places, and they can hang upside down almost anywhere. Blue tits have been known to build their nests in letterboxes or even pipes. And they are very, very agile. The RSPB estimates that there are 3,535,000 nesting pairs in the UK. Ours have built their nest in there. But thanks to modern technology, we can see what's happening in the nest in the school. This is inside Wigtown Primary School, and this is the monitor linked live to the bird box. There were blue tit chicks in the nest last week, but they have flown away, which is why they're missing today. As you can still see the nest. Blue tits make their nest with moss, wool, hair, spider spider's webs and feathers. Their eggs are white and glossy with purplish spots. They lay between 7 or 12 eggs between April or May. The mother warms them for 2 weeks before they hatch. Both parents feed the chicks. A single bird can feed the chicks at 1 feed every 90 seconds. Blue tits fledge after 19 days. 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 Blue tits usually live between 1.5 and 3 years. The longest ever recorded was 9 years, 9 months and 2 days. Although we haven't seen a blue tit today, we sure have learned lots about them. Join us next time on Bird Missing with Boyle. Crunch! Ow! The mother sits them for... The chicks fledge after 19 days. Tits are dead by the 19th day.